Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. For this week's video, we're going to learn D sharp major bar chord. Okay, everybody. D sharp major bar chord. So D sharp major bar chord, you put your first finger on the 6th fret, and then you put your second finger on 8th fret, 4th string. You put your third finger on 8th fret, 3rd string, and then you put your pinky finger on 8th fret, 2nd string. Hear that? C sharp major bar chord. But also, the easy way to do it is if you have this right here. Okay? Basically what you do, the way I do it, I just put on the first 4 strings my first finger as a half bar chord, okay? And then you put your 3rd finger on 3rd fret, 1st string. Your 2nd finger, you put it on 3rd fret, 3rd string, and then you put your pinky finger on 4th fret, 2nd string. Kind of like, this is the D major, okay? But if you use these fingers, you just slide it by 1 semitone higher, and then you put the half bar chord right there of your first finger. D sharp major bar chord. Okay? So here and here. And you can use whichever one is easier for you. Alright? So, well, a few tips. Always make sure your thumb is in the middle of the fretboard. And not like this, or not like this. Always leave room here in your finger so you have a better grip on your hand. And make sure your fingertips are always touching the strings, but not adjacent to each other, like this, like little hammers. And that's how you get a clear sound. And that's it, my friends. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Press a like and leave a comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.